This video aims to provide you with 3 optimal Pokemon Go cheats that can elevate your gaming experience and share 15 other great tips to help you enjoy the game to its fullest potential. Part 1. Possibilities and risks of Pokemon Go hacks. 1. Can I hack Pokemon Go in 2023? Despite the strict measures from Niantic, it is still possible to hack Pokemon Go. 2. What are the risks associated with hacking Pokemon Go? Hacking Pokemon Go can carry various risks, both legal and technical. Part 2. How to hack Pokemon Go efficiently. 2.1 Hack Pokemon Go by spoofing location on Android. The virtual location tool, one of the hacks for Pokemon Go, is an exceptional solution that meets your expectations. 2.2. Cheat Pokemon Go by faking location on iPhone. If you're an Apple user, the Location Changer tool, offering several advantages, can be your choice too. It includes joystick mode for unlimited GPS spoofing on your iPhone. 2.3. Hack Pokemon Go on iPhone by using a VPN. For iPhones with Apple's ecosystem, VPNs will be even more recommended for hacking Pokemon Go. Before you can do that, you need to download a tool like NordVPN. Part 3 to 15 Hot Tips for Pokemon Go hacks. Tip 1. Create multiple accounts. Tip 2. Check the weather forecast. Tip 3. Auto-catching. Tip 4. Try AR mode. Tip 5. Choose your defender carefully. Tip 6. Locate Pokemon with tracker. Tip 7. Use Pokemon Go cheat codes. Tip 8. Find out hidden status. Tip 9. Find the right egg to hatch. Tip 10. Get raid pass for tomorrow and today. Tip 11. Kick Pokemon out of gym. Tip 12. Use Pokeball tricks. Tip 13. Bulk evolve Pokemon. Tip 14. Oid raid. Start animation. Tip 15. Transfer Pokemon.